Hello friends, thank you for supporting this channel. In this video, I will introduce you to the exciting new feature of the freepik website, an artificial intelligence that creates images from text. Get ready to explore this innovative tool and witness the magic of generating stunning visuals with just a few words. To access the website, we begin by searching for freepik on Google. This simple search will lead us directly to the desired website. freepik is a popular website for finding and downloading high-quality graphics, including illustrations, vectors, and photos. It offers a vast collection of creative resources for various design projects. To get started with AI and utilize its features, you need to have an account on the website, either by signing up or logging in. Now we can access AI from the website's main menu. We click on the AI image generator option. On the new page, we have access to the freepik AI image generator. You will see a text box to input your prompt. In the drop-down list, you can select your desired style for image generation. Scrolling down a bit, you'll find some examples of images created with this AI. When you hover your mouse over the images, you can access more information about them. Further down, there are descriptions about the image generation process. And a bit lower, there is an engaging video about the freepik AI image generator that we will watch together. As you can see in the video showcasing the capabilities of freepik's AI, I want to invite you to stay with me until the end because I'm about to do something sensational. I want to challenge the AI of freepik and create something cool. Using the AI-generated images from freepik, I'm going to make pictures of football stars like Messi, Ronaldo, and Neymar in a robot style inspired by the Terminator movie. Sounds intriguing, right? So stay with me until the end and let's enjoy the process together. All right, let's get started and write our first prompt. Let's see how the image of football star Messi is created. After writing the prompt, we select our desired style. Now we click on the Generate button and wait. At this stage, we are taken back to the main image creation page. In our free account, we have a daily limit of credits, which is displayed here. We can enter our prompt in the text box. In the drop-down list, we have access to 5 different styles for image generation, which we will explore together at the end of the video. One exciting feature of this AI is the ability to visualize the images online, which we will also explore a bit further. After the images are generated, we can download them using the Download Image option. I'm inserting a new prompt here. Now let's see how the image of football star Messi is created using a robotic style. I choose my desired style. Then I click on the Generate New Images button. New images are created, and by clicking on the thumbnails below, we can view them in a larger size. The images are not bad. I modify the prompt a bit and click on the Generate New Images button again. New images are generated. Let's take a look at the new images together. The images can be better. I modify the prompt once again. Now let's see how the image of football star Ronaldo is created using a robotic style. And once more, I click on the Generate New Images button. The new images are closer to my prompt. By clicking on the Download Image option, we can obtain the desired images. I want to try something new. I will modify the prompt to see Neymar's football star images in the style of the Terminator movie. Neymar's images are not bad, and I will download some of them. To achieve better results, I will click on the Generate New Images option to utilize artificial intelligence from freepik.